New Tactica M250. We all live full lives, from work, sports, hobbies and home improvement to adventures far and wide. Now you can get the job done and get back to what you love. Tactica brings you the M250, an ultra-lightweight compact hex drive toolkit that's perfect for your everyday carry. The M250 features a 14-slot hex drive magazine and integrated holster, ideal for those on the go. Whether on your belt or on the fridge, the M250 will be right there when you need it. Versatility comes standard, with 12 of the most common hex bits you might need, and 2 spare slots to load your own and customize your carry, making it ultra lightweight and tech friendly, meaning it won't scratch your valuable phones, iPads or latest gadgets. Lightweight enough to not weigh you down, and heavy duty enough to get things done. The Tactica M250, a complete toolkit in your hand.
This is the center drive from Gerber. We found that consumers on a job site, under the hood of a truck or under a motorcycle, don't always have both hands to operate a multi-tool. The driver, the blade, and the jaws were the three key components that they use. That's why we made all three accessible with one thumb. The Center Drive Plus offers all of the groundbreaking features of the original center drive and takes it to the next level. Upgrades include spring-loaded scissors, partially serrated full-size blade, tumble-finished components, and a premium USA-made leather sheath. The sheath is equipped with a set of 12 standard quarter-inch drive bits. It's available in multiple variants, including stainless, black, and plus. This American-made multi-tool delivers real tools and no compromises.